Debbie, be honest with me. How many times this month has a client asked you, should I be on TikTok?
Honestly, at least once a week. And it's usually followed by, but I don't want to dance.
Nobody has to dance. That's episode 1 myth busting right there. Welcome back to Small Biz Big Reach. I'm Nancy Sheridan from Oasis GraphX.
And I'm Debbie from Clickable US. Today we're talking TikTok. Is it actually worth it for a small local business, or is it just noise?
Short answer, it depends on the business. Long answer is the rest of this episode.
Let's start with the question everyone actually wants answered. If I run, say, a landscaping company or a hardware store, do I need TikTok?
Here's how I think about it. TikTok isn't a search engine replacement, and it's not a substitute for your Google business profile. It's a discovery and trust-building channel. It's where people find you before they know they're looking for you.
Right, it's top of funnel. On the ad side, I see this a lot. A TikTok video doesn't usually close the sale. It gets someone to search your name on Google or click through to the website you and I built.
Exactly. So the real question isn't, is TikTok worth it? It's, does my audience spend time there, and do I have something visual to show them? A fence company redoing a backyard? Great before and afters? A CPA doing tax returns in a back office? Tougher sell visually.
Unless the CPA leans into personality, quick tax tips, myth busting, that kind of thing, people don't just watch for the product, they watch for the person.
That's the shift a lot of my clients struggle with. They're used to thinking in brochures. TikTok wants a human.
Okay, so let's get practical. What's actually working right now for the kind of clients we both serve? Home services, landscaping, retail?
3 things consistently. 1, process videos. Show the work happening. A hardscape crew laying pavers, a glass artist doing a fused piece, whatever it is. People are nosy in a good way. They want to see how things are made.
2,
2, the day in the life or behind the scenes of the owner. This is huge for trust, especially in home services where someone's letting a stranger into their house or onto their property. If they've already seen your face and heard your voice on TikTok, you're not a stranger anymore.
that maps to what I see on the ad side too. Retargeting a warm audience who's already seen organic content converts so much cheaper than cold traffic. TikTok organic can literally lower your ad costs downstream.
And 3, answering a real question your customers actually ask. How long does a fused glass piece take to make? What's the real cost difference between pavers and poured concrete? That's not just good content, that's good AEO. Answer engine optimization and TikTok content overlap more than people realize. You're structuring an answer to a real question either way.
I love that you brought that back to AEO. You always find a way.
It's a sickness at this point.
Let's talk paid, since that's my corner of the world. Small businesses ask me constantly whether they should just jump into TikTok ads.
And what do you tell them?
Don't start there. Post organically first, even just 5 or 6 videos, so you have some data and some creative to work with. TikTok ads perform best when they don't look like ads. If your first paid spend is a polished, produced commercial, it usually underperforms a shaky, authentic clip.
That's the opposite of how most of our clients think about advertising.
Completely opposite. On Google, Polish helps. On TikTok, Polish can actually hurt you. It reads as an interruption instead of content.
So the workflow you'd recommend is post organic, see what resonates, then put ad dollars behind the ones that are already getting traction.
Exactly. Spark ads specifically, boosting an existing organic post instead of building something from scratch. It keeps the comments and the authentic engagement, which builds trust faster than a cold ad unit.
That's a great bridge between what I do and what you do, honestly. I can help a client build the content muscle organically, and you can pick up the ones that are working and put real budget behind them.
Let's give people the honest downside too. This isn't all upside.
Agreed. Time is the real cost. TikTok rewards consistency, 3-4 times a week, minimum. And most small business owners don't have a marketing team. It's them, on their phone, at the end of a long day.
And the algorithm doesn't care about your feelings. Some videos with real effort get 12 views. Some throwaway clip gets 40,000. You have to be okay with that unpredictability.
That's why I tell clients, don't chase virality, chase consistency. The algorithm rewards volume and watch time more than any single perfect video. Show up regularly and the platform starts to trust you.
And measure the right thing. Views are vanity. Watch, does it drive profile visits, website clicks, direction requests, calls? Those are the numbers that actually matter for a local business.
So if someone's listening and trying to decide, do I start TikTok or not? What's your one-sentence advice?
If your customers are local and your work is visual, start now. Keep it rough and real, and don't touch ad spend until you've got a few organic winners.
Mine's similar. Treat it like a relationship, not a billboard. Show up, answer real questions, be a person. The algorithm and the AI answer engines are both rewarding the same thing lately, content that actually helps someone.
That's a good note to end on.
That's it for this episode of Small Biz Big Reach. If you want help figuring out whether TikTok fits your business, or you just want someone to tell you it's okay to skip the dancing,
Find us at Oasis Graphics and Clickable US, links in the show notes.
see you next time.